Should I look at this one? Hey, it's too much horsepower to push or what? Trying to keep
idle for 40 minutes.
Yeah,
No.
wow.
I don't know why they.
We should have a little towing deal here, huh?
I'd pay $100 right now to have somebody tow this pig all the way.
Oh, there you go.
We had a Daytona 2 years ago. Did the same shit and it overheated right as soon as.
Right. Yeah, I just seen someone just blew a radiator hose.
Just now.
Yeah, you'll see the coolant on the ground. Yeah.
And then you got a gasser back here that he overheated.
Right. Yeah.
He only started it up for 2 minutes.
Wow. Wow, it's a cool rig though, man.
Thank you.
Love the car.
We're gonna start it up when we get closer, but
yeah,
this pig for 25.
It'll be another minutes. 25 easy, right? Wow.
So we're just pushing up these two because that's the easiest way.
Right. Yeah. No, it makes sense. Yeah, you're right.
Yep. Take it out of here. Kill me.
Hey. You guys heard it. You guys heard it first. Yeah, this guys are lining up to go to the main stage. But this car's got so much horsepower, man. They don't want to idle it. You got that tripod on that one, huh? You got a tripod, huh? You got another. still got that fisheye, bro? Oh, thank you, man. That is a wild thing, huh? This guy, number one. What do you guys think, man? Did I get a like on this video, man? Yes, sir. And like and subscribe, my friends. This is not a cooking show. I don't peel potatoes here. He just cast, man. Only cast. Cast and cast. More cast.
John Rocher from Columbus, California, 1970 Ford, ever so popular. 428 Cobra Jack MP shop wheels. Spearmint green, they call that. All refreshed with new caramel leather interior. Ford truck man.
Double award winner, Classic Truck Performance Magazine Award presented by In the Garage Media. Remember, support print and the Square Body Truck Pay. Presenting right now at the Seams Truck. Johnny Cable, 85 Blazer, award winner for John over Bill. Interior chassis crown front seat forward, middle rear. 22-inch US magazine. Custom interior for good crown and vanilla top side view.
All right, guys, let's go check out the rest of this Just nice cars, man. I think of part 3. We'll wrap these up, guys. Hit like, subscribe, man. Thank you for watching.